Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Manners. Alright guys, so blessed love.
Don't clear the up and up.
Oh, who said that? Man, general.
Yo, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to miss it, man.
Yeah. Yes, guys. Blessed love. So, you know, today we're going to grab some granite sand and some rough sand and cement. And we got some oak. You know, in Jamaica now you can use like the colored oak to put in the cement for the flooring. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to either the floor, you know, we're going to smooth out the granite off the floor, but we're going to add some color to it as well to get a nice look, you know, like it polished. But we're not going to use the red one, you know. We're going to use the blue, and then you're going to see the outcome. You know, you will see the outcome. Because the first time we're going to do this one on the floor, so we're going to see what it looks like. You know, so here at the hardware. Then, and I've come in and said, you know, I think I'll let it go there. Reaction. See there, guys, see there. We lock and we load. I bet you're not going to need too much sand here. Go over to your left, 30 grand.
You might as well tin feet right now.
Yeah, tin.
No man, let's go and blow up the man. No man.
By the time we're done with that already. Wow, go take out them things. Oh, that one. Are you rough that? I got one more, man. That can take more. Rough. So next afternoon I'm going to do I'm going to need more than that. Wow. Just pour some more in it. I just rest the mesh, I said let's use the shovel. Look on the mix here. Hello?
One bag of cement. One bag of cement.
Two.
Oh, no like. More side gone. I should have 4 bags. Use one bag. Yeah, man. That's all coming from the man. I don't want to see one. This good one. No, fine one. I'm going to go.
No, I don't want to find that. That must be the granite.
Granite, man. That has to dry out before you right in the
Yeah, man. I'm going to do it. Keep my coffee, granite.
Run away.
Yeah, so let's keep on in a second. Yeah, but there's a rocket to go over there, someone. I said, I won't go.
Watch your house and leak out. Thing I run out. Yeah.
I'm not enough. Chew it by the minute.
Look out that one there. Look at that piece of stone. Look at them stone. That's one there. Yeah. The case of juice. So you want it? So you want it?
Put more water in there, make it run.
Come on.
Yeah, make it run.
Go to the final boy yet.
That's somebody I play with there. Only for one Esther.
You ever reach 20 bunny like a wait for the next tour?
So say you want the soupy. You want the soupy like that? Alright, good. You go tidy. Tidy.
Sure, on the line there. Let's go down here. Let's go on.
So, but you don't find it step, you know. So we have a video pooch here do. Here do and she has drink some nice soup. Sitting right next to Kina Life in Jamaica. She alone and drink soup while the man at my work. What go on?
We could have to drink something first.
Lie, how do that?
Tired.
And what cost that?
Wake up this man and drink 2 jug and did a carry up the place. You know? Come like me, I tell you, say, boy, I don't know where the jug and them do to me. Reverse the split fire them.
Aye. Spit fire in the morning then.
You know, I'm going to hold a 2, 3 hours.
Spit fire in the morning then. Okay, mix up the next bag there as well. Barger there.
Yeah.
Barger is here, so
Alright, let's see it around.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Barger is right inside.
Yo, I left nothing. You never make them talk about it. You're not talking about just the content.
So Barger, you saw how the shop look?
Yeah, man, see it, man. Beautiful, man.
The new look.
Yeah, new look, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a nice look.
Refresh up the
This
place.
is how
Eh?
things are fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Plenty in the whole chef color.
yeah, man. Nice, man, in the color.
So that means they should have mixed up the whole of the blue or have. Yeah. So imagine that get a more bluer look, you know?
Man, is at 10. I'm telling you, I get fire.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. So welcome to another day. You know, welcome to another day after you see we're done with the shop flooring and all of that, you know. So there's only one thing left for us to do with the shop flooring. We're going to put some lacquer on it, you know, to make it glow, you know, give it that shine look, you know, so it will be one wonderful makeover. So yes, guys, so I'm gonna break this news as well to you. Like, well, most of you already are aware of the Sunrise theme, you know, and aware of the year-to-year festival that they keep down there in Fort Lauderdale. You know, I was there last term, you know, last year I was there. You know, the festival was magnificent, you know. I really enjoyed myself, you know. So it's a year-to-year thing, so it's going to be taking place again the 25th, you know. So you know, guys, I will be definitely heading out for that one, you know, which is the 25th of this month, you know. So I'll be heading there. I'll be in Fort Lauderdale, you know. I'll be at Sunrise at the Rehab Center, you know. That's where it's taking place with the Sunrise team. So if you missed the last one, you don't want to miss this one, you know. So come and have some fun, you know. Wear your colors, come represent for Jamaica, you know, because I think where you represent where you're from, your nationality. Yeah, so you have to come represent for Jamaica, you know, you think about. So yes, guys, I'm looking forward for that also. So it's going to be the 25th, which is Saturday. Yes, so stay tuned for that one, Saturday. And I'm going to head to another country, you know, after the event, you know. So it's first time heading to this country as well. It's going to be my first time experience heading to this country, you know, my first time. I'm not saying yet, I'm just hoping you guys can figure it out, you know, and see, tell me which country I'm heading to. It's the first time I'm heading to this country, so finally, you know, I've been granted, you know. So I've been waiting for a little while. So I meant to go there from the summer and this and that, but through a football season I never really get no chance to go. So I'm definitely going on this term. So after the Sunrise event, you know, I'll be heading to that new destination of mine, So I'll be coming right at your doorstep, guys. I will be there, you know. So you will know, you will definitely know. But if you have an idea, or if you can make a guess, whee, yes, you just make that guess and see where I'm gonna be. Yes, but it's gonna be my first time heading there. I need to get that wonderful experience. I am coming to your country. I am coming. I'm coming to your country. Oh boy. So yes guys, so stay tuned. You know the thing goes already. So remember guys, so 25th, you know, which is Saturday, you know, the Sunrise Rehab Center, you know, come pass through, you know, have a good time out, wear your colors, represent for Jamaica, you know, for the festival, you know. So it's like a carnival type, like, you know, so you can come represent where you're from. Come on out, come represent where you from. So yes guys, so looking forward to see you guys there, you know. And then now after that, I'm heading to my new destination. Whee, I'm happy, you know. First time there, you know, what an experience it will be, you know, exploring. So it's the explosion, I'm exploring. So blessed love guys, catch you up. Check if your motor road in there, sir. Going down West Shore side with that. Guys, so I'm back here in Trenchtown. So I got a care package as well too, you know, for Patrick, also from Sandra. But tell him, man, from Patrick, for Patrick from Sandra from New York, you know. But him gate just locked, so just walk on the front, see if you see him, to give him. Oh, him there.
Proud.
Patrick! Right time to. Alright, Patrick, I hardly can walk. Eh? Oh, go on. Come to you. Oh, you carry the bag for you.
Me carry pan soup right there.
Where?
Pan soup.
Oh. So we have one bag for you as well too.
True?
Yeah.
Me come. Me stairs to me come. No, come.
Tired.
Yeah, I know.
You carry the bag for you.
Yes, thank you, Akeynote. Thank you. You know Rasta?
I want to your back. I say your back always stay.
Yeah.
I want to push out right around this way.
But I'm name. Me don't operate pan it, but the light doctor said me never operate pan it because of my age.
Oh.
It can't cripple me.
Okay.
So me never operate pan it.
I'm just recognize it now.
So,
Yeah. Just recognize it.
look at them car. Me take car extra vehicle. I made the car. Yes. When me the car for the doctor said me for the operate for the because my age.
Yeah.
Me can't cripple me.
Can't cripple you.
Yeah. Because the doctor will put me to sleep, you know. She have the same problem too, you know. Like me.
Yeah.
Same back problem. So them when them have yes uncle.
Yes. Oh, him.
Come here. This is back fun.
Yeah, man.
Heavy, you know.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much again. Thank you.
This is from that bag is from Sandra from New York.
Sandra, thank you very much, Sandra. Thank you very much. God bless you. I ask God for peace and blessing beyond you. And make you successful in your work. Where you do all your business, where you do. God bless you, Sandra. Right in time, God, when we never have no water yesterday. And today I have to catch up some water so I can cook tomorrow.
Yeah, brown rice in there as well.
Thank God, thank you very much. And God bless you, Sandra. And thank you very much. And big up Dream Team. God bless Dream Team. Akeynote.
Extended family.
Extended family.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Alright, then
Tired.
take it easy, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, guys. So we give thanks to Sandra, guys. So we give thanks to Sandra, you know, from New York. Also, your soup, yeah.
If you choose them well soup over the center.
Okay.
And give them free soup.
Yeah. We have some ital for you. Ital stew tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Alright, now come down then.
Yeah. So we give thanks. So thank you so much, Sandra, you know, for this wonderful care package for Patrick. You know, God bless him. Thank you so much. You know, so we're gonna head on to the Mary and give him a donation that we have for him as well too. So Patrick, go and take care of yourself, yeah?
Thank you,
So,
Sandra.
remember tomorrow you can circle.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Don't marry them by that shit. What's going on? All is well?
Great, just to have life, you know?
Yeah. That's right. So how's everything? How everything look?
Everything look good already. Sunday, my man come here with the water, but I look a leaking. I mean, I say, me don't want to do the whole lot, but if you want the sheet what me get, could you do the whole lot? Say, myself, get another sheet and get another sheet for car.
Oh. So one side it end up though?
No, the two side them.
By the two
But
sides.
I say best thing I just to cover up the whole of the whole stuff.
So that me that set here, just do the whole house stuff and done.
So I say I need another roll for cover up it.
Oh, another roll.
Stuff from right there, sir. Go down. You do this, you do so now.
Yeah.
Go down to the car.
See them?
You see me? But now the middle part here, so
Yeah.
none of them are the middle. Right, this one I tell you where I live. Right on the board there.
Yeah.
See green spot, wet spot.
Yeah, right, that's right.
No, up now I see the
Oh, for the green spot.
yeah. Right, that's what you do, sir. And see the black spot.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh, yeah, talk, yeah, so.
Yeah, right, that's on there.
Oh.
You see the book, you set the bucket for you, right there.
So you never see this in the first place? So you never see this I live from the first?
But tell him, you know. You tell him, but the man said the one man I never could reach it, so I said for this. Try to get another set and
Oh, I never enough.
another work man. I tell him, so the another work man yesterday, me and him at another work man yesterday, me and him at chat and I tell him, so, you know, how much you just do everything and done. The man tell me, say, yeah, I thought you could charge everything and done. For those. I'm going to tell you, lick out the key, you know.
Yeah.
Another doorway, so them can come in.
Okay.
You see me? To build the cement cover right there, so. We just do the entire house, everything. What block it off. It's a 40,000.
Oh. And the boy that? Come here, boy.
And see some of them there want me to buy.
Oh, so this are the
Drywall.
drywall.
Some of them peels. Peel down here, sir.
Oh, you buy the paint as well?
One bag of peel.
Oh, that.
Yeah, and show me that for peel the one out of the money. When you start to
Yeah.
15 and 10 already.
Oh, I'm charging 15 and again 10. That's the one for the house. Yeah. And you buy them here as well too?
But then they come with it.
Okay.
Then I forgot to the ceiling to make it jar and screw and something in the box.
Okay. And the big boy this. Man get biggie, man. Good? You say you go and good in school. Excel, sir. Yeah, how much now? 13. So you being a good boy at school, you don't get no trouble.
Yeah, I say about it.
So if you come there and ask the teacher, them are going to say you're good. Because Excel is my place, you know. You see my circle from check here. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
And them big man. And get big. Oh, this is the receipt. Oh, where you spend already? Alright. So basically, everything where they get the spend off already. Oh. Yeah. So you have to get more, I didn't say more.
No, forget about 5 more jars.
That leak, that wet there, where's that come from? On the board? You see what I talk?
Yeah, on the board, man.
You know what I'm coming
But
But as when say, just fix off the wall and do the whole of the house.
and done. Yeah. Because that me that's might as well do the whole house stuff and done.
Yeah.
So it's another roll.
Yeah. And the roll fight, when they get it on back the deal, they get it about 12 grand.
12 grand for one of the roll. Oh, so you just get one roll. Okay, so we're another roll. Alright, so at least you can see, you know, so are the same drywall at there, so?
Yeah.
Okay. Eh? Okay, so the same one where you buy? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Yeah, man, I take some look.
Just I realize what going on, you know.
Man, you need to see it. Yeah, man. When man cuts around it and leave it. Yeah, man, bleed, man.
Just I realize what going on.
Yeah, man.
So guys, say, see you have some drywall, some black off here, so basically now, yeah, you can use the same drywall, just you say, and lick out right there, so to make a walkway for them go around there, so.
Yeah, man.
So you have a little space just for yourself.
So I need about 4 more drywall. 5 more, 5,
5, 2, 4. So how much one that drywall?
about $3.
$3 grand for one.
that at 5. At 5 when we say much 5 the ceiling. So
Yeah.
that the ceiling part you need a 4 more. So for black out, yes sir.
Okay.
And the post them. When I put the post them,
Yeah.
drywall you can go up.
Open.
So I say I need about 5 posts. I remember
like an AC,
the manual around the circle.
For the right, so the man will right there, so.
So I say I go cover it up, isn't it?
Okay.
Sometimes it rises, it send.
Yeah.
So I build a cover for putting it. Them say people are black, I say no, because you can use. Makes sense.
Can't black. Yeah, can't black.
So when they cover it, all the same, they say the pipe up in the center.
Yeah, man.
So I need something for it to escape. All them can do is just, if any loose hole or anything where the center come through, you can just try for those black off that and thing. You know, and black it out. Alright then, so at least you see when you start already, guys. You can see some the drywall start on this as well. And you see him have some years, so I'm gonna need about 5 more, right?
Yeah.
Or 5 more drywall, which is 3,000 for one. And I'm gonna need 5 more there, 2 before them. Yeah, 2 before and things. So I'm already have the paint and the screw, so that's that. So basically what I'm gonna do, he's gonna do a partition right here. We see washer standing up right here. So the partition will come this way, you know, right here at the corner here. So basically this is gonna be the walkway where they can walk go that way. Anybody else walk in and they have film doorway. So you have a little space, you know, for himself, which is good. So you have a painter and everything. So alright, man. So we'll spray and hope for something can come through. You know, we can. So the builder charge you 40,000 himself.
The first thing I say 25 to do the ceiling. So I said, what to do everything
And done.
He said 40.
40. Okay. So if you also consider that as well too. Alright, so a donation as well too. Let me hear this as well. So this is from Stacy from Queens. This is 7,500 per year. From Stacy from Queens to help out as well too.
Stacy from Queens. Thanks, you know, and I appreciate it. And I need to feel bossy. Thanks a lot.
Alright then, so yeah man, so we'll see if anything else come up and we'll link you. Yeah? So you can go see me, that's what I put towards. Yeah? So guys, as I hear him say, you know, as you can see the work is getting done. You know, and he said the workman with the charge, we're going to charge you 40,000 for complete the whole job for him. You know, because he said to do the ceiling was for like 25,000. So to do everything we want, the partition and everything, and that'll be like 40,000. And I'm going to paint. Okay, so someone else is going to paint. So that will do it. So any contribution we can get towards, you know, we thank you so much and thanks for the blessings, right? Alright then, so Damari, I'll keep you posted then, yeah? Let's go on to the right thing. Alright? Well, I want to go to school see me, you know, yeah? So guys, so Damari's son, yeah? You know, big man. The last time I see him, he was so tall at all. Man put yeah. And get thick as well too.
Them man are big ball of blocks, yeah?
Oh.
Them man are stats, man.
Oh, him?
Yeah.
And the ball of this? Where play?
Look who's play from Coles.
Coles or Pepsi? Pepsi. What number are you here?
Next year,
next year must start
playing. Oh, next year play. Okay. Alright then, so big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, they look up on.
Alright guys, so that is the situation. Boom! Remember I go up at the lady or so? Lady, I walk so. Okay guys, so that is the situation, you know? So we give thanks for the blessings and everything so far, you know, so yes sir. Anyway. Top of that was so nice then. Well, more wipe off my mouth, I was just having a smoothie. Okay, so I just arrived. This bar was here waiting on me. So I guess the person that collected says from Brown, Miss Brown. Miss Brown. I don't remember which Brown, you know. I'm thinking maybe it's Auntie Brown from Whitfield. Bless up. You know, drop off this barrel. You know, so barrel just arrived here. Boy. So you know, I just can say more blessings from blessings so that rolling see. A lot of rain of fall, so that's why the blessings are falling, you know. The rain keeps falling down. So you can see the place is black. Look. You see that direction? Rain is coming. Okay. But the rain not drew still right now is dripping slightly. Dripping slightly. Alright, so thank you so much, Miss Brown. You know, thank you so much for this barrel. So we have to just run through and see what's inside of this. You know.
What you feel?
Barrel man!
Yo! Clean alive!
Oh, go on!
One more road man! I'm going to Milan! You know Yo, big up the key them now. Everything blessed.
Yeah. They are give a pass through. Yeah man, everything.
Well, everything blessed man, you don't know my room there, I hold it for them same way. Energy! Not change a long time, no
man chain a bling man.
Yeah man, bling it out, you know energy in your catch your energy straight. Yo, you know this is my room man, the energy! You don't know. So what are going to key now?
They are at the Mama Riverside, I'll get a pit them something and come
so
back.
So you run, go up and forward.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to catch up another day now.
Yeah man, I catch up man.
And get it straight because people them say a long time they not see me. I'm going to tell them say we're busy and keen they all out and everything.
Alright.
Big up Jackson, Rasta Jackson, the world crew. Keen life, for one team, dream team. You know.
Alright, you know think like a link man.
Big up Esther too, although Esther go on like such she don't see me. Esther can go on when she see me. Yo, hold the camera for me because you see me, when I talk to Esther, I want the whole world to say, I talk to Esther. You see Esther now, she does have a little style where she does go on like say, when she see the maroon man, she does have an acting type of way. But you don't know I want Esther, I love her. Yo, pick up yourself, keep her life. Yo, you know man, we're going to catch up man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want my
road, man, everything done. Yeah.
Yo! Energy! Yo, I want my road, catch it.
Alright.
Pick up yourself.
Yeah. Go up there and get them outside. Alright, well guys, well. So yeah, we just reached up by Mama River, you know, to drop off some stuff we got from Sandra, you know, from the USA. You know, they sent some stuff for Cranberry and also for Liquor Miss and Liquor Man as well too, you know. So Jackson and Boom is walking ahead, so they're carrying inside here. Gonna cross the river as usual. Good. River heavy. We went far way up on the hill, so this is the result. Right now. Rain. We open the hills that I come from. Boom jump cross already. Save Jackson can't jump with the tour again. I say not gonna jump. Of course. Jackson couldn't jump with that at all. Hey Jackson, you couldn't jump in the back. Yeah. Eh? Hey sir Jackson, now run the race there. Esther. Yeah, go out here. Esther, go here. So Esther's gonna wait a bit. The mission of jumping this river each and every time, you know, the mission of jumping this river each and every time, just lot of blossoms. Evening. Charlie, evening. Oh, the foot. Eh? That's all up and see me? You go dress it? Eh? You go dress it?
No, I don't move today. Just a 27, I move today.
Evening. Nana, I'm going to go see me call Little Man and Little Miss. Nana.
They're up there.
Nana go call because...
Tell them sister first when you take them out of the yard. The mother supposed to come by them. No? That's why they come by. Oh.
Little Man and Little Miss.
I saw that too.
Georgie. Come forget to bring me something come. Yeah. And the rain put me off, you know.
Yeah.
I say yesterday rain, so we see from over there so.
Come right up.
I mean I tell you say me that wash. Come like a good thing me that time me. By the time I come up, I tell you say if you look over this to this so.
And
the rain never that fall down here and river just come down.
Heavy. You reach your banking.
Inside. Yeah. The one over there so I want the cover off
And this man make kind of something there.
Cause the place black up, man. The place is dark. So me that kind of weird.
But they are hard for the river come around. The rain that here.
Up so, yeah.
The rain that here.
Cause me that weird my mind. Cause when I leave out of my house, I see the place dark. Them place are never so dark, but I see the cloudy.
Yeah.
Cause me that watch it from up there so.
And you see where the car, you see the come from.
You see there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Toko, you okay? How is school? Good. You that swim? Look like you that swim. Should I swim like that? Oh.
Did you clear on that?
You clear. Oh. But charge me know how your foot I stay so swell up see. I mean I'm supposed to could have drawn.
Get up and move around. Yeah, just want to sit up one place.
So you not take no more pills for that?
No, I'm not taking no pills.
See just naturally I could have myself or whatever.
By the time you see it draw down.
Yeah, oh, you have to elevate your foot so.
Yeah, well, it's
Flip it
up
up.
and down.
Yeah. Lift it up. I just stick that.
Yeah.
And yeah, cause foot easy for swell, man. That's the thing as well. You know, when that show swelling sign, that means you're ready to start eating.
I'm going to say all around of them things are tender, and all around of them tender.
Tender.
All of them things are tender.
You feel pain at night time like when you're in the bed?
No, it's like all no. Feel like a pain.
Pain at night. You feel heavy, like something stick you.
No,
Not nasty,
just painful.
Nah, like, I'm sure you cut that years again. I hope it not takes so long still.
It took 2 years, and then I cut it back right tonight 2 years. I said thing when I make 2 years.
Well, you know what, them son never will get cut if I always get here. But why them always wrap it up?
Well, what I told me no one to fly, I don't go for it.
Are you wrap it up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Normally they wrap it, but they wrap it. Remember when they wrap on Monday, them now pull it up until Wednesday, about 2 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah, but when they wrap it all,
Normally take it off at night time.
At night time?
And then in the morning.
to the fly.
Yeah. I need here and night.
You may allow us a ball at them, sir. You make it get sunshine, the sunshine.
Yeah, you need the fresh air and night, man. The sun. I just watch it and fan them, but it need a fresh air there.
Yeah, that man, that's the man.
Yeah. Pale tonight, yeah. Sun pale tonight, dry it out. It need that, because with that, it will a boil up, you know, sweat and then good thing there. Can you imagine, man? Time by fresh cut them gear, you know. Them by fresh cut and them dig further. And them dig
fresh cut.
Dig further now, so it's even worse. Alright. Sorry, I have to go through that. Cranberry, how is school? Nice.
I'm supposed to Tuesday. I'm supposed to work at school.
Oh, when you get the holiday.
Yeah, year's holiday.
Tara sleep?
Tara sleep.
No man, cause I'm gonna say her what I say. I must sleep, shall sleep. So yeah, so we have some things that's off but I'm sitting in front of them still. You know, so from Sandra from the USA. He said, Cranberry, please open the bag. I need you to do that. I heard that them saying that Cranberry, that the writing say. He said, Cranberry, please open the bag. I need you to do that. That Sandra said, the name said. So Cranberry, you. It said it on the bag.
Me. Hello. Come on.
Yeah. True, me never show out him when that move, man. And then true to that rain as well. And then watch the rain. In what real? So you open the bag. Evening. Wanna get free up. Freedom. So then get little freedom. Alright, so basically I probably have to take out what's inside because your name. So after you, I'm save other names on it. This is cranberry only. So cranberry, that's a whole heap of panty there. So the bag is a cranberry bag. Cranberry. All is cranberry. Cranberry, that's you said them have name. More cranberry. Cranberry sisters. Take out that. It's a cranberry. This is cranberry sisters. It's a cranberry sisters. This cranberry sisters.
Say thanks.
Yeah, so them said thanks. And this. I don't know what that's that none of them part I'm seeing outside. Look inside cranberry. You can see anything on the tag. Any tag inside?
No, on the pan tag.
On the pan tag.
This can't fit now, this can't fit.
You that.
Man put them there on my jacket.
You them there. You them
thing again.
My mother got me ready there. Oh, go back to you.
Alright, so these said it's a cranberry only. Oh, so cranberry only. Cranberry. It's a cranberry only there. It's cranberry again. This said, cranberry like this too.
This is Akeynote.
Cranberry Q-tip. Cranberry.
Toothbrush.
That's toothpaste.
No, excuse me.
It's not a name on it.
Excuse me?
Family. This is for the family. This is for the family. This is a cranberry. Cranberry. Cranberry, all this.
What that people?
Girls. Yeah. So this is for the sister, for the girls and all this, Nana.
Wow.
And the one here for cranberry. 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 Come here, no walk off here. Come here. Stand up right here.
What about
So, come let's thank Sandra from the USA.
Sandra from the USA, thank you so much. And your food basket never empty.
Alright.
Sandra from the USA, thank you so much. And never make your food basket empty. Thank you.
Alright, so you know finish well on the house your bag here again. Open that for me there, boom. You see one side in that.
I put you in a different
That's it. So the bag is a cranberry. The bag said cranberry.
Pink sachets, all type of things.
Peanut butter sachets and biscuits, sweet biscuits.
Lift it up, yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Sandra again.
Thank you, Sandra. I make a full basket never empty.
Alright, so we'll go up on the big bag first. The big bag, well, let's see what the writing. This said Liquor Man and his sister do the same. So Liquor Man and sister do the same. Now them put me.
Yeah.
Liquor Man and Liquor Miss.
One, two, one.
So we have Liquor Man and Liquor Miss here. Add for them. Let's build the boom.
Same thing from Sandra too.
Yeah.
Sandra, behalf Lukuman and Lukumis, thank you so much, and may God bless you, and make your food basket never empty.
Alright, so Sandra, so you hear that? They're thanking you, they cannot stop thanking you, for the blessing. So Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. Alright, so what he said? Oh, this is Liquor Man cousin. That's Nayoka, right?
She not there.
Put it down to your
I said come down. Yeah.
Okay, so that's
So can you thank it for her? She care.
here. That's Liquor Man cousin. So come. So first Liquor Miss and Liquor Man. I want to thank Sandra for this bag. Liquor Man, you go first.
Thank you, Sandra, for this bag, and may God bless you and never make your food basket empty.
Liquor Miss.
Thank you, Sandra, for this bag, and may your food basket never run empty.
Alright, so I guess now you know the difference. The boy and the girl. Right, I think so. Should. I don't forget my share.
Yeah, carry the bag up, man, and share it, man.
You can just carry it, go up and share it. Alright, son. And this bag as well, it's Liquor Man and sister. So I guess this is the same. Okay, so look at the same as well, so Liquor Man. So Liquor Man, yeah, your sister, right? Here you go, Liquor Miss. Sandra again.
Thank you, Sandra, for this bag, and may your food basket never run empty, and God bless you.
Okay, so give me that bag, yeah. So this Liquor Miss have to carry this. Yeah, Liquor Miss. And Liquor Man, you are the man. You can't manage this. Yo, you can't manage, right? Alright, guys. So we give thanks, guys. Let me say, we give thanks. Thank you so much, Sandra, for the blessings for helping out Cranberry and family. Yes, I go and charge. Make sure you know.
Yeah, only for thanks again, Sandra. Only for honor, respect, man. Only for honor, only for thanks.
Yeah, Kenisha.
Sandra, thank you so much, and may God bless you, and make everything that you do is prosperous. Thank you so much.
Cranberry.
Thank you, Sandra. And make a full basket never empty.
Alright, so we give thanks. Sandra. I say thank you so much, for the blessings. It's nothing but love and love alone. We appreciate right, Nana. Nana is here, so they appreciate how we give thanks. I will thank you so much. So anyway, hit the road already. We're gonna hit the road back to come back the journey. I will talk on it. Whenever you talk or say anything.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Sandra, and don't make your food basket never empty.
Alright, so give thanks. I want to say Liquor Man sister. So I guess this is our Liquor Man sister, so it's probably she as well. So the name them there.
Okay. That cat food is.
The man plus sister. Oh yeah.
That's how I said me know.
Oh, this is cat food.
That me tell them I say that's a cat food and them are gonna eat it. I know when
Fancy feast, salmon and shrimp feast. That's the cat feast there.
yeah, that me tell you no. Me know that cat food.
Yeah, but she not get no cat food. And when you get the probably true you have cat.
Yeah, I never know.
Yeah.
I want to see if you have a cat eat it. I get the dog one.
Him not get no
No,
bone.
him.
The pregnant one.
Yeah. I'm breeding, I'm pregnant again.
Yeah.
I'm breeding them up, man.
Charge you say you start a little farming. Yeah. Yeah. Some pea? Red peas. So you can't plant like some pop chow, man.
Yeah, that one I don't just buy a pop run.
Yeah.
And then bed, that one put in them bed of this milk.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, that really want.
Yeah, man. Put some pop chow in it, man. And some callaloo one side. Even right there, so. That empty spot there, so.
Yeah, I'll bed it here and I come to this. That's all the water, I'll bed it.
Yeah. How far the sun coming from? There, so? So. Oh. Get some sun to come in. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. And the main thing that the callaloo and the pop chow. Yeah. So the main thing that in a easy pot, you know, callaloo and the pop chow, you know. From you always have that. Tomato there, so. Guys, you can see Chargy. I put in the farm work, you know. With some plant, I'm having banana them down there already. So once I'm having banana as well to down there, I'm good. I'm having pop chow and callaloo, you know. Then the main pot you need, you know. Pop chow and callaloo, especially the callaloo. You need more callaloo than anything else, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, good, man. Oh, bank here, so. You can't even step down the stairs. Where is it go right there now? Are you clear over there, sir?
No. I'm cut down this time, I'm cut down this time, right at the whole place.
Oh, the owner over there, sir? Can cut out some more, you know, so.
Yeah, I cut out some of them trees.
Yeah, man, utilize the thing, man. Yeah. Utilize the thing. But now, like, want to try so the thing can complete off because through in the hospital and then now today have the strength again because Baja have to do some work as well too, you see me? So and then you can't do the on your foot right now too tough. Yeah. Oh. Weed?
Yeah.
We must say in the pan one work.
Yeah, but I did something, so I don't buy the weekend in the tell me.
How we say they want again? 4 bags of cement for this for this.
Yeah.
And what else? 3 length of steel. And the 100 black, right? Yeah. And the rest I think them the sand and thing get them from the river.
Yeah,
Alright, so I'm gonna remind Winston about that. And if you get that for whenever the man free. Yeah.
I notice we don't finish seal out or work in the kitchen because they never finish seal out.
In the finish seal out? Step up here. Okay.
Seal, yes, sir. On the outside, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. There's a run light in there.
Yeah.
The dog get more trouble.
Alright then. So I make Winston know where I go on. You know. I'm doing good thing there. So I forgot to bring your thing, but when I forward back I bring it come. Cause I'm gonna buy some grocery food as well too. Somebody say want to buy some grocery. You see me? So I have to buy some more grocery stuff for you. So I bring it home, just bring it come as well too. Cause the thin stuff I'm done already. That's rice left. Oh, so thin stuff done, rice done. Yes, the rice there. Thin stuff done. Oh, so them are the main thing. So now I want back some more. We don't want some thin stuff then. And flour. You see that flour too?
No, the flour never come, but they buy flour.
Okay. So that's what I mean, I want some thin stuff then. And some snacks. Alright then, I'll do the maths then. Or the snack for them go school. Like what kind of snack? So we can know like what kind of snack meal.
Beef with the cheese crunches and
them good thing there? Okay. Beef foot and cheese crunches.
And the biscuit, remember I saw the biscuit?
And biscuit, like biscuit as well too.
Yeah.
And the something you know the something that you see without bike, you know?
What
the red cheese chicks.
Red cheese chicks? But the red one, the red
cheese bar.
The red round one then?
Yeah, cheese bar. Cheese stick. I told you one of them one I want to let top.
Oh, okay. I said him cheese ball?
Yes. It's like you know for police weekend you want to
that I eating.
back moving. So I come and moving the cat was up.
So now I come and go and take out some sun, so that means
Yeah.
everything in park and just go.
Yeah, I can go and take out some sun and everything. So I'm reaching look when I call Winston and make him know. So I can make him get that. It was 4 cement, 100 black and 3 length of steel. Yeah? Alright then. Alright, so later, yeah? Charge? Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah man, so we give thanks to Sandra, thank you so much Sandra, for helping out little man and little miss, with those stuff and also from Alright, yeah. Alright, later. So thank you so much for help out Cranberry and her sisters, So we're gonna head back in now. There's a lot of traffic when it was coming on the next side. So who wouldn't mind? Yeah. Wouldn't mind the traffic kind of calm down. Heading back down. Yes guys, nothing but love and love alone. So blessed love guys, I will thank you so much. And remember, please when you're watching, hit the thumbs up. And also guys, there's a reminder to let you know that JJ contact me. JJ from the JJ Book and Ball, to let you guys know that the program is not stopped, just because it's starting out itself, to come back to Jamaica to continue the JJ Book and Ball, so it's only on a part for now, so when we come back it's going to be official again, so big up yourself JJ. So guys, so remember, look forward, so this time it's going to be bigger and better. So that's what JJ said, so look forward to that, bigger and better for the book and ball for the kids then. You have to look out for the kids then because they are the future and everything there. So we cannot stop looking out for them. Yes, so big up yourself JJ, so you see up on the island when everything up and running. What's it? Them can't swim, approach here, look. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.